Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to share product from Temu to Facebook post. So open the Temu app, search for any product. You can use the search bar at the top, or you can go to categories and look for the product in there, or you can go to home and browse the product. So tap the product so the full item page appears. For example, this one. Next, look near the top or under the product images for the share button. So it may look like an arrow, share symbol, or three connected dots. Tap on that. Now your phone sharing menu will pop up. So select Facebook. Next, Facebook usually gives posting options like news feed or feed posts. You have story, your group, or your page. So tap post a feed if you want it on your timeline. Next, you need to add a caption if you want. So you can type something like, check this out on Temu, super cheap find, love this item, or Temu deal today. But it's only optional. You can also change the privacy. So click on public and choose the privacy and click on done. You can also share it to Instagram. You can add a label. You can tag your friend or people. You can put emojis or location. Now, once you're ready, tap on post and your Temo product link appears on your Facebook timeline and friends can click it. So let's close Temo and go to Facebook. Go to your profile page, scroll down, and here you'll see the Temu product we just shared. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.